What's going on? I'm Whit, and today I'm finally getting into the world of Aragon. This is the Hiro Automatic, and it's got 3D Super-LumiNova index markers. Man, I want to see that. Yes, there's been several Aragon watches I've wanted to buy, and just for whatever reason, never have actually pulled the trigger. But this one was on sale for $99. Decided to finally do it. Let's see it. All right, and I had the option of choosing a watch box or not. I don't know if it made it cheaper or not, but I just figured my first one, I definitely wanted to see what the case was all about. This is pretty nice. It's kind of a little pleather type box. You see Wing Engineered. He's the head designer and CEO. All right, let's find out what this bad boy looks like. Oh, okay. That's probably my stuff. And you see the Aragon logo on this kind of padded felt backing. And I see the watch. Let's take a look at what else. Okay, so this watch comes the watch head only, and then you can order whatever straps you want. So I took it on a striped blue NATO, and then that was like $10. And then I got this rubber silicone strap for $5.88. So we'll look at those in a bit, but you can see you've got your warranty card or info in there. Very cool. Nice box. Cool. Got the pillow, and here's the watch. Wow. Yes, look at that crown. Whoa. See, that's a cool pairing, this strap, don't you think? I'm glad they put it on that one too. I think that they knew. It looks good on that one. All right, let's get the stickers off. Ready? Oh. Wow, so that's got a great finish to it. See that radial finishing on the fixed bezel? And then it continues on to the lugs as well. Very nice. Signed crown, which is lumed as well, it appears. And you can't quite see those 3D markers yet, but I am going to do my best to show it off to you. Okay, so you've got a domed K1 crystal. So single dome you see there. And you see on the Riot, you get the 5, 10, 15, etc. 5-minute increments, and then the minutes as well. That just looks beautiful. That's tied in nicely. Yeah, so back to the crystal though. So K1 is apparently like heat treated. Supposed to be a little more scratch resistant than just a regular mineral crystal, and supposed to be a bit more shatterproof than sapphire. But you know, it looks like it's a good match for this watch for the price point. But man, that's got a great look. That single dome K1 crystal, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to roll in some macro shots so you can get a better idea of the texture, the 3D layer that these numeral indexes have. Got nice narrow sword hands, and look at that second hand. It's red with the lume tip as well. And this is NH36, so you've got day and date. Printed on the bottom of the dial is automatic, professional, and water resistance, 200 meters, 660 feet. And then down at the 6, you see Japan movement, again, NH36 from Seiko. All right, moving around to the back, you see you've got a screw-down crown. Just wanted to point that out, I guess, didn't they? And that crown is just beautiful. I'm going to get to that in a second, but first we've got another sticker. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so a display case back. Got a very small window. I think that's mainly because the watch is a pretty good size. I think this is 48 millimeters. It was hard to see on the website, or rather get the idea of its size, but I'll measure in just a second. But I just want to point out the screw-down case back. Wing Engineered, Seiko Instruments NH36, 24 joules, Japan movement, water resistance, 200 meters, 660 feet. Stainless steel K1, and then A195, and then Aragon. All right, we do some measurements while I've got that NATO strap out of the way. And so looking at 48.5, and since that diameter is so big, let me show you the just the dial size. So I'll take a measurement from the crystal. So you're at 39 millimeters just for the dial portion. Your lug to lug is about 54 millimeters. The lug opening is 24 millimeters, and your your case thickness, 16.5. And let's get a measurement of this crown since it's so big. It's about 9.8 millimeters for that crown. That is awesome. And it sticks out from the case about 6 millimeters. Okay, and 134 grams for just the watch head and NATO style strap. So relatively light for the size of watch that it is. All right, let's check out this movement. NH36, like I mentioned, and screw down crown. So we'll see, yep, got a nice definitive pop out to that unthreaded position. And first click is easy, super easy because of the size of that crown. Let's go to the second position. You see the hacking. Second hand stopped there at the 10 marker or 50. And we'll move. Oh, yeah. Man, I love large crowns. Just so easy to turn. You got that resistance. Okay, so we're out of the danger zone. We'll go back to the first click. And there you see reverse for your date. And forward for your day. And we got the nice blue and red for the weekend. Love it. And let's see how it turns on its own. All right. You know it's gonna pop any second. Oh yeah. Decent. And then you'll see the day of the week. Let's see what, usually by 3 a.m. we get there. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a little after. Yeah, oh, actually it was. Right when that hand covered it up. And rethreading attaches first catch. And not gritty. Very nice. All right, I'll give you a wrist shot so you can see what it looks like. And first, though, if you like big watches, that's probably why you're here, right? For Aragon and or large watches. This one definitely fits the bill. This is the Boulder Odyssey 45. Silver Wave, a limited edition, and you can check out a video right there on this. Beautiful watch and just excellent timepiece. And there it is on my 8-inch wrist, and that has just got a great feel and look to it. The NATO strap is not super soft. It's a little more rigid. I'm sure it'll probably get broken in, but the keepers are of nice quality, and they match the case perfectly. And big wrists unite. Look at this. I think this might be the first ever NATO style strap where I've been able to wear it traditionally and have that loop tucked in there. Usually I've got that, down here, so definitely a good size and plenty of room on this NATO style strap. And here's the alternate method to wearing the NATO with keeping all the hardware down on the bottom of your wrist here. And it would need some breaking in, definitely. You see that height? It's got a lot of bulk here at the bottom, so if you're going to wear it this style with this NATO strap, it's going to take a bit to get that broken in. See that? But otherwise, got a great look up top, huh? Oh, and I'm still able to have enough strap to tuck that under. So great length on this NATO for me, for at least for a large wrist. Love that blue stripe though. It ties in nicely with the dial, right? Great pairing. And here it is on the extra silicone strap I got. Now again, this watch comes as the watch head only for, I got it for $99 on sale. And then you could buy no straps if you wanted, or they had a selection of, I believe, about 13 different strap options to go with this watch. And so the only difference with this one is that it does have it's a signed buckle, but it is high polish because I imagine it's just intended for many of their watches, not just this one. But you do have high polish on that crown, so I guess there is a subtle tie-in. But $588 for a nice 24 millimeter silicone strap. Yeah, I figured it was worth it to just throw it in. And it's got a nice soft feel to it. It is picking up some lint I see already. So 2 sliding keepers, neither are fixed. And that's what it looks like on. Yeah, this makes it for a great sport watch. You want to go swimming and stuff. This is a great pairing. And this tang and buckle is nice and thick and beefy. I love 24 millimeter straps. Haha, yes. Here's the star of the show, the 3D Super-LumiNova indices and loomed crown as well with the Aragon logo. And this is just the daylight loom. I'll get you another darker shot as well. Now you can see some of that texture of those 3D indices. And then you've just got little loom dots, loom pips there all the way around. Those are not 3D. Those are just inlaid on the dial normally. Man, I can't wait to wear this Aragon and report back to you with a full review down the road. So if you like this watch, make sure you like this video and comment down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, click on that Watch Wit logo right there. That way you won't miss the follow-up video. Until next time, I'm Wit with so many watches, so little time and money.